not this bite that kills you, it's the venom running through your veins. And all you ever wanted, was it ever what you needed? If you need to remember me, I have a black and white photograph. I am smiling in the summer sun. Life has turned around so fast. I have a black and white.
Quality of the trainers and education is unbelievable. That's why we send all our employees through here. After we get done working with them, they have to come to school here. That's my dog, to become certified in this training method.
Today was a good day. I saw you here, I saw you here, I saw the way you looked into me. But oh, I don't know.
You just have a gift. You have a gift. You just have a gift.
I don't even have a ball anymore.
I know, but she loves you all the same.
It's pretty harmless though.
Oh, it's great. Still come. Still come. Let's go. Come. Right here. Stella. Sit.
I don't think you know me.